Hello everyone, this is Gurudev NEET Academy and myself SK Chaurasia welcomes you all. I am your chemistry mentor and guide. We are going to discuss one of the very important topic of inorganic chemistry, that is hybridization, right? Hybridization is the phenomena in which different orbitals of different energies redistribute their energies to form new orbitals of almost same or equivalent energies, right? These equivalent energies orbitals are called hybrid orbitals, and the whole phenomena is called hybridization. So we are just going to discuss a very smart trick to find out the hybridization within the 3-4 seconds. So this is very much useful for the students preparing for JEE and NEET. By just watching the molecule or ion, you will be able to find out the hybridization within 3 to 4 seconds. So just see, I'll just discuss one trick for you. Suppose you are having a molecule SO4 2 minus, and by the traditional method, if you will start finding the hybridization, it will take some time. But by watching the molecule, you will be able to say ki, sir, it is sp3 hybridized. And whenever you are having sp3 hybridization, it means it is tetrahedral. And tetrahedral means always by this way. So you can arrange the molecules, rest atoms in molecule. Actually, this is iron. 4 oxygens are there, so definitely in the center you will have sulfur and 4 oxygen everywhere. Okay. So this is and negative. So now this is the structure for this molecule. So how you will be able to estimate the structure and how you will be able to find out the hybridization, I am just going to deal with a very simple and smart trick. Dear students, just look. H is equal to half of A plus B minus C plus D, right? This is the formula to find out the hybridization in a very short manner. This is what? Number of hybrid orbitals, right? This is the number of hybrid orbitals. What about A? Number of valence electron in Ca, central atom. Number of valence electron in central atom. What about B? Number of monovalent atom. Notice it. This is very mandatory to know, beta, monovalent atoms. And this is countable. Fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo and hydrogen. Only these. If all out of 5, if only atoms are there, so you have to count them, their number, 1, 2, 3, whatever the number are there. If oxygen is there, leave it. Only you have to count the monovalent atom, right? Okay. Then what about C? Charge on cation, if the species is cation. What about D? The charge on anion. Charge on anion, right? So this is the shortcut trick to find out the hybridization. Suppose I am saying you find out the hybridization and shape of this ion. This is the question. Several times in NEET, JEE, everywhere have been asked several times. So first of all, you will see how to find out the hybridization. Then behalf of hybridization, you will be able to predict the shape also. So just see this ion, you can write by this way, I into I2 minus. So just use this formula. Number of hybrid orbital is equal to what? Half of number of valence electron in central atom. Out of 3 iodine, you have considered 1 as a central atom. 1 iodine as a central atom. And in the valence shell of halogen, the electrons are how much? 7. 2 monovalent atoms are there, because I say A plus B, B is the monovalent atom and it is 2. It is not cation. It is not cation, so it is 0 plus charge on anion, it is 1 charge. So only number is taken, not plus or minus. Getting? Here plus minus doesn't matter. Only you need to take the number. It is 1 charge, so you will write 1. So you could see it is coming out to be 10 by 2, that is 5. Number of hybrid orbital is coming 5. 5 means 1s, 3p and 1d. So its hybridization coming out to be sp3d. And you know sp3d means what? Trigonal bipyramidal. And a trigonal bipyramidal molecule always arrange themselves like this way. Like this way. So it seems to be little complicated. I'll tell you in a simple manner. See, iodine is there. One iodine is there as the equatorial. One more there at the equatorial. One negative along with lone pair and two lone pair this side. So just see, if you join them, it will be just like, look like this. Just see. And during the prediction of the shape, lone pair is not counted. So cover the lone pairs. It look like, you know, by this way. So it is linear. Getting? So it is linear. So I'm just, it took some time to explain, but now just see how to find out the hybridization faster. Just see, we are having PO4 3 minus. Hybridization is what? Number of hybrid orbital is equal to what? Half of number of valence electron in phosphorus is 5. Oxygen is not monovalent, divalent, so leave it. Plus 0. It is not cation, so again 0. Plus it is anion, so plus 3. So you could see it coming out to be 8 by 2, that is 4, and 4 bole to sp3. Getting? So within 3-4 seconds, suppose you are having NH4 plus and hybridization, if comes out to be sp3, it means it is tetrahedral. Suppose you are having NH4 plus. So find out again the number of hybrid orbital. Half of, what's the number of valence electron in nitrogen? 5. Monovalent atom 4. Charge on cation 1 only. It is not anion, so 0. So again it comes out to be 8 by 2, that is 4 means sp3, and sp3 means tetrahedral. Suppose you are having CO2, you have to find out the hybridization of this carbon. So again H is equal to what? Half of. When you will practice enough, you will within 3 to 5 seconds, you will be able to find out the hybridization. See, number of valence electron in carbon 4. Monovalent atom is not there, no cation, no anion. So it coming 2, 2 means sp, sp means linear. Getting? Suppose you are having one more example. SF6, SF4, XeO3. These are the 3 more examples. Find out for this one. In sulfur, valence electron how much? 6. Monovalent atom 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. 12 divided by 2 comes out to be 6. 6 means sp3, D2 means octahedral. Right? Again look for this one. S, 6 valence electron, 4 monovalent fluorine, 10. 10 divided by 2 comes out to be 5. 5 means sp3d. Here valence electron in xenon 8, no monovalent atom, so 8 divided by 2 comes out to be 4. 4 bole to sp3. When you will be practiced enough, within 3 to 4 seconds you will be able to find out the hybridization. Suppose you are having BF4 minus. What about the hybridization? See, in the valence shell of boron, how much electrons are there? 3. 4 monovalent atom, anion is 1. So it is coming out to be 8 by 2, that is 4. 4 means sp3. Any species